just a play date to you.
Sometimes, but you just gotta know it'll all be fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, walk around the neighborhood.
Alright, so a lot of people have been asking me how I do this glitch effect. I do have a video on this already, but I'm going to go over it again. This is what you're going to need. A piece of paper, some markers. So first, make your sketch. Go ahead and ink that bad boy. Grab your first marker. You're going to outline the whole drawing, but just on one side. So after the first color, you're going to want your drawing to look something like this. Now take your second color and do the same thing on the other side of the lines. At this point, your drawing should look something like this. Now we're going to take it to the next level. Take the same two markers and add some lines going off the colors in both directions, like that. So you should be looking something like this. Now it's time to do the same thing with the next color. Now once you're here, this is what I like to do. Take a white marker or a white gel pen and go back over your drawing and make some gaps within the drawing like that. And there you go. Tag me in your videos or duet me because I want to see what you guys come up with.
1, 2, 3, 4. I think I'm losing my mind, trying to stay inside the lines. It's like you're running in place.
Here's how to blend acrylics using a wet and wet technique. First, make sure you have the appropriate size brush for the surface that you're blending. Then choose your colours, and you're going to need some kitchen roll or a tea towel to dampen your brush like this. Start by adding a good amount of the darkest colour at the top. Then you want to add a bit of white to that same colour to make a lighter version of the colour and add it underneath it. Then blend it with a clean damp brush, and I'm blending up and down using a crossing motion. A spray bottle can help to keep it nice and wet, and you just want to keep repeating that same step, so adding more and more white as you go down, clean and dampen your brush, and blend again with a clean damp brush. Soft blending brushes are really good for getting streaks out. I just used a makeup brush and they're amazing. Then I'm going in there with white at the bottom and blending it upwards with the same technique. I got a weird texture like this because I didn't blend quickly enough. So when that happens, just wait for it to dry and paint over it again, and there you go. That's how you blend acrylics.
Cause you know that baby, I'm your biggest fan. I'll follow you until you love me. Papa.
1, 2, 3, 4. I think I'm losing my mind, trying to stay inside the lines. It's like you're running in place.
And I'll be singing la 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 la. You're breaking me la 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 la. You're breaking me la 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 la. You're breaking me.
Ask your heart to prepare every time. Don't wanna leave. But if you're gonna fight, then do it for me. I know you built a love for broken love, so just try.
I just wanted you to watch me dissolve slowly in a pool full of your love. But I don't even know how the chemistry. I'm lost in my imagination, and there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come through?
This is a snack. If you're afraid of snacks, then it's a nope rope. Like if you go to the bathroom and you see this, nope rope. And if a nope rope has poisonous venom, then it's a danger noodle, like the shake snake and a cobra. Do not boop, or you will get the hurt juice. But if you love the snacks, then it's a boop noodle. Look at that cute snoot. Deserves a boop. Snacks also have peepers, noodle necks, smelly flickers, and nom nom seeds.
Don't know what you're saying. You're flying higher than a plane, and I'm not complaining. It's getting too loud, we'll figure it out. I'm out of my brain.
But then he turned the little button and the car went boom. We like the cars that go boom. We're Tigra and Bunny and we like the boom. We like the cars.
I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
So give them all to me and I'll give mine to you. Bask in the glory of all our problems, 'cause we got the kind of love it takes to solve them. Yeah, I got issues, and one of them is how bad I need you. You do shit on purpose. You get mad and you break things.
I know you're choking on your fears. Already told you I'm right here. I will stay by your side every night. I don't know where you hide.
I really gotta hold on.
In exactly 7 days, whoever uses the audio from this TikTok and has the most likes will win $10,000. No joke, take the audio from this TikTok, do whatever the hell you want, I don't care how weird it is, and whoever has the most likes gets 10 grand. Good luck.
I'm a new soul. I came to this strange world hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take. But since I came here, felt the joy and the fear, finding myself.
She get treated like the sidekick, into that side chick when it got some side dick. Sun-kissed princess, gold toe ring, smack her lip gloss, backside swole thing.
Keep your eyes all on this fatty. If you like what you see, take hands and grab it. Hurry, hurry, hurry,